Hi everyone, it's Dash of Dave here, and I'm not back for a crafty video. I'm back to tell you that because I had some technical difficulties with my previous video where you could have won 50% off my digitals, I'm here to tell you that because I couldn't do that, to make up for it, there's no prizes. It's literally 50% off all of the stuff in my Etsy. There's 71 different kits available, all with multiple pages, all designed by myself, and they are all 50% off. You don't need any code or anything. It is literally a sale that is running from Friday the 6th of October through to Sunday the 8th of October. That's everything in my Etsy 50% off. Like I say, don't need any code. It will automatically be deducted. You should see it's advertised as a sale, the was price and the now price. So also, because I've had some technical issues with various different videos, and because I am feeling very fried, I've got a bit of a migraine coming. I've worked some very long hours this week. My day job has been quite challenging, and I was out on an emergency call out last night, so I'm feeling very tired. There isn't a video today, so there's no crafty video today. There's just me talking to you just to let you know that this is what's happening. So you've got 50% off everything in my Etsy. It does run from, sorry, I had to cut that bit out because I couldn't get my dates right. It's very hard to sit and talk to yourself, you know. It runs from Friday the 6th of October 2023 until Sunday the 8th of October 2023. Okay, so just for those 3 days, so today, tomorrow and Sunday, it's 50% off everything in my Etsy store. So yeah, head over there if you want any of those things. It's the last sale that I will do until after Christmas. So there'll be nothing now until after Christmas. I'll probably run something in after Christmas with Christmas digitals. There might be a few odd 1 or 2 kits that have got promotions on, but not a blanket everything off. That includes all the new kits. That's all the new kits for Halloween. So that's the 4 kits that I brought out for Halloween. So yeah, like I say, no crafty video today, but I'll be back on Monday with more crafty things. I'll be working over the weekend on my YouTube channel to get those kind of things in place. So sorry about no crafty video, but woohoo to 50% off. I hope you like what I've been putting out, and you know, if you've been kind of on the fence about it, maybe now's the time to get off the fence and go and buy something. Anyway, you shouldn't sit on the fence because it'll give you splinters. All right then, I'm going because the jokes only get worse. And I'll see you all on Monday. Take care of yourselves. Remember, it's Dash of Dave, and I love you all without exception until you give me a reason not to. So don't give me a reason not to. And I'll see you all soon. Lots of love. And big hugs. Yeah, that's the face I give you when I give you a hug, by the way. All right then, take care, folks. Love you all. Take care. Bye.